Hello everyone, this is Rahul. So if you are a Shah Rukh Khan fan and you want to convert your normal photo into a Shah Rukh Khan pose photo, then this video will help you. In this video, I will show you how to make your normal photo to a Shah Rukh Khan pose photo using a AI. So for this, I will show you in my mobile screen what you need to do. So here you can see the screen. You have to upload your picture, a face picture, in a ChatGPT or a Gemini. I am using ChatGPT, and you have to paste this prompt. So how to get this prompt, I will tell you. And here you can see how the image is generated in a SRK pose. So you can see how the pic was there. Okay, and to get the prompt, either you can go to my Instagram account, you can post a comment as a prompt here, or it's better you go to my Telegram channel. Here you will find this SRK post prompt. Just copy this prompt and paste it in your ChatGPT. Upload your picture and paste this prompt. So I hope you will find this video useful. Thank you.